everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we talk about audio and microphones. Audio is something that has been very underrated in the segment for a long time, because whenever people ask us about our setups, about what cameras do we use, what editing softwares do we use, they often omit the part about audio. Audio is something that we do focus upon a lot. And audio is something that can make or break your content irrespective of the platform that you want to publish it on. For example, Instagram, YouTube. Audio is equally important as well as your video quality. Along with, if you want to go for a podcast, a good microphone is very important if you want to have that long-lasting impact on your viewership or on your fans or the people who follow you. So, apart from the content that you have to present, a good audio and a good video is very important. Content comes first, but the gear you use can actually enhance the presentation criteria and delivery criteria of your content to actually increase the viewership experience. So today we have the Blue Yeti microphone. So we actually use the AKG Lyra and the Blue Yeti microphone in unison, but in this video it's all Blue Yeti. AKG Lyra is completely a different story altogether. So the Blue Yeti microphone is actually pretty much defined by major two factors: the build quality and the features. Let's talk about the build quality first. It's all metal. The entire microphone body is metal, and you get a stand, you get a desktop stand available in the box with a microphone with good articulation. There are these two screws that can be adjusted to articulate the position of the microphone depending upon your own position. And the switches they have, there's a physical mute button and there's a volume button, and all the switches are very tactile and very high quality. They're also metal, so there's no problem in those switches as well. Now let's talk about features. The features of Blue Yeti. So beneath the hardcover, beneath the top hardcover that you see, there are three different microphones. Three different microphones to provide three distinct features to the microphone. This particular set of microphone has completely distinct set of features. So when talking about features, we should actually mention the modes it has. And the first mode that can be mentioned is the cardioid mode. Now, while I'm recording this video, the entire audio is being recorded by this microphone as well. And it is being recorded in cardioid mode. So cardioid mode records everything that is happening in front of the microphone. Everything that is being said in front of the microphone. So like, I'm sitting in front of the microphone and I'm talking. It's in cardioid mode, it will record my voice. Nothing else. It will cancel out everything else, it will just record my own voice. Now, let's go into bidirectional mode. So suppose you're having an interview and you're conducting an interview, you have a guest with you and the guest is sitting opposite to you. So, you don't want two different microphones, one for your guest and one for yourself. You can have the Blue Yeti and you can place the Blue Yeti in the bidirectional mode, and it will pick up the guest sitting in front of you. It will pick up the voice of the guest sitting in front of you and cancel out all the sides. So let me just show you exactly what is bidirectional mode. I will be switching this microphone from cardioid to bidirectional. Okay, so this is bidirectional right now, and for those who don't know, I'm recording my voice on this laptop using Audacity. So this is bidirectional. And you can actually hear the difference. You can actually hear the drastic difference. Now let me switch it back to cardioid once. The switches are actually absolute quality. All metal, absolute quality, tactile. There is also a gain meter at the back where you can increase the amount of gain you require from the microphone. There is also a mute button here. You press the mute button. There's a simple press and tap on the mute button to, if you want to mute the microphone, if you don't want it to record at one particular set of time at one particular time, you can just mute the microphone. And then there is a volume rocker. So you can increase the volume. The volume rocker is actually given as a very, very handy optional accessory. So I'll show you why. This is a USB microphone. Just a minute. This is a USB microphone. So this is a USB microphone which also has a headphone jack in it. And you can connect your favorite pair of headphones and listen to a direct playback of your voice. A direct playback of your voice will be available to you for you to listen and then direct your voice accordingly. So this is also what you get from the Blue Yeti. This is also a feature that you get from Blue Yeti. Apart from being a brilliant professional studio quality mic, this is full of features. It has those beautiful modes: cardioid, bidirectional, unidirectional and stereo. Also it manages to cancel out the surroundings pretty well when you're listening, when you're speaking in actually cardioid mode. So this is actually a very handy tool for you to get started with creating content. For example, platforms like YouTube and Instagram, and for people who are into podcasting, they can also get started with this particular microphone, creating a podcast for themselves. So this is actually it. This is actually it for the Blue Yeti. And let me know in the comments what tech gear or what video gear would you like us to feature in the next future, in the next coming future, near future, in the next videos. So looking forward to your comments and everything, and thank you so much.